What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
Kitty. Not working. Tits. No. Starden, worden, harden, bart. Yeah, German always works.
Okay, people, can we chill? Okay. So freaking. Excuse me! No!
Running up on Animals Part 1.
Hey!
We're almost in. Got him. Fuck. This guy's good.
What's real and what is fake?
This giraffe wasn't playing around.
Let's go, man.
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your string.
I got my puppy a puppy. Not the reaction we were expecting. I think the groomer gave me back the wrong dog.
Buffy! I'm okay.
My dog is so skinny that you can see the food going down. Bye.
You're so cute.
To the girl who suggested we play baby sensory videos for our cats, thank you. Waking Milo up by barking so he knows how it feels.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Alright, we're gonna give my dog some sparkling water and see the reactions.
Why is it spicy?
People always ask, isn't it too much? But I'm like, it'll never be enough. Never. It'll never be enough. Like never ever is never enough. And it will never be enough.
Just kidding. Dogs aren't supposed to eat jelly beans.
Coconut, get away from me. Do not do this. Don't do it.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
I just wanted to make a video.
Kiki, ow. Kiki. Stop.
Turn it off.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute. Let her do her yoga, dude! Stop! No, Jerry! Stop! I freaking hate it! Jerry, kill her! Kill her! Wow! Hey!
Oh, Mom! That's what I thought. Aries, come on. Go ahead, you talk. What doing?
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
What color was she before?
She's a golden. What? Anybody want her?
Yes.
Jerry, get out of the way of the trailer. What are you doing? No, Jerry, he has a job to do. Leave him alone. Don't walk away from me, Mr. Man. Rocket ship, be free.
I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait!
Alright, we got our ready whip. Good boy. Does not like to be shot at. Sit.
possum's still missing. I'm coming in. Why is there a chicken on your sink? The kittens are still here. There's a duck in your toilet. There's a pig in your shit.
Look, here comes the consequence, consequences of my actions chasing me right now. I don't want no consequence. I don't want no consequences chasing me right now. Someone take this consequence. Someone take this consequence and chasing me right now.
Yeah.
Part 2.
Wrapping my cat into a burrito.
Look at my burrito.
Exquisite.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
How is this real?
Just take yourself on.
This is delicious. What? What are you doing, Bubbles? Bubbles, no. That was mine. That was mine. I don't have any more.
Can you see it?
What? What?
What is that? Did you guys know that was there? Yeah. Why do you think Ryan has
All right, Squishy. Part 1. Squishy. Hey. Okay. Squishy. Part 1. Okay. Squishy, get over here and pay attention. It's part 1 of To Kill a Mockingbird. You have to know this. Squishy Marie, sit. You have to. Hey.
Run in opposite directions to see who your dogs love more.
I have your blanket. I have your blanket. I have your blanket. Blanket!
We make up. Can I have a kiss? Please don't bite my living face off. Poppy, you're better than that. You're better than that. Now eat your carrot and shut up. Good boy. Kiss, kiss. No! We worked on this. You stay. Now eat your carrot and shut up.
Do you want me to still hold her or you want to just go for it? Because of the mitt. What do you want me to do? Oh no, I think you should hold her. Get it, get it.